Today's video is a little bit different because I have such exciting news I wanted to share with everybody, is that I got to meet one of my favorite childhood characters, which is the donkey from Shrek. Now, I met the real life version. His name is actually Perry, and he lives in a farm in Palo Alto, California. And I got to visit him. Now, Perry is the donkey that they used to model the animated character Donkey when they created him. He's a miniature donkey. He actually just turned 30 years old this year in 2024, and he lives on this farm with a few of his other friends. So this first donkey you see, this is Buddy. This is one of Perry's friends. He's a 25-year-old donkey.
Hi, Buddy.
And then the white donkey coming from behind, that's April. She's 15 years old. She's a new addition to the farm. And then this is our famous donkey that we love. This is Perry.
I'm taking pictures. Hello, how are you? I'm good.
So when I came to visit, it was about noon, and it was lunchtime for the donkey. So we have the volunteers. You can kind of hear the noise in the background. They're preparing the food for the donkeys. This is Perry. Do you see the resemblance with Donkey? I mean, there's a little bit of an age difference on when he was modeling in his earlier career, but there's the famous donkey that we love. You can see Buddy's kind of anxious. He's hungry, so he's kind of like being a little bit obnoxious, but in a cute way. This farm is actually run by volunteers entirely, and the money that it takes to take care of these donkeys are actually on a donation basis, so the entire community pitches in order for these donkeys to be happy and healthy. This was such a fun experience for me, not just to see the donkeys themselves, but you know, seeing Perry live such a long and happy life. This is, you know, the inspiration for the character that we love, the obnoxious donkey that just won his way into our hearts. So cool. So the donkeys are about to eat now, and Perry actually goes into this pen because he has special food. He just had some of his teeth removed, so he gets a little bit of a softer diet. And he's smart. He knows that he goes to the separate place to eat his lunch.
I'm okay, how are you?
If anybody is interested in learning more or wanting to come see these donkeys in person themselves, this is open to the public, and they have hours where people can come and meet and greet with the donkeys. There's a website here on this page that you can go visit and learn more about, you know, their schedule and what they're up to. I had a great time, and I hope that you have the opportunity to come visit these donkeys in person yourself. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Your support is truly appreciated. Thanks for watching.